Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to make highlights in photo in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation. So a presentation design page is created. I select the background. I want to make the white outline obvious, so I change the background color to gradient color. Next, I go to my file folder. I have a PNG file. I double click it. We can see that this is transparent background. If you want to see how to make it, I have another tutorial in this channel. Now I close this window and then click and drag this PNG transparent background image into Canva to import the image. I want to enlarge it. So if you want to make color around the man, we can select the image and then go to edit. And then go to bottom, we can find shadows. And then go to outline. We can add outline around it. So we can change the color, we can change it to white. And also we can change the size, we can change the intensity. So this is how we can make white outline in photo in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CGN. See you in the next video.